Before we go, you guys, I want to hand it over to our guest co-host, Brian Seymour, because he has some news that he would like to share with us all. So, Brian, I'm gonna let you have it.
Thank you so much, Damian. As you many people may know now, the announcements that just came out, the new daytime talk show, The Joy, which is a new project starring your Damian Anderson and your Andrew Frett, and they are having a great time over there at The Joy. We're having a 10 episode test run beginning January the 16th, Martin Luther King Day. Executive produced by Prince TJ and yours truly. It is an amazing time to be joyful, 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 joyful. And we have so many great hosts over there. Like I said, your Damian Anderson, your Andrew Fred, and a newcomer, Georgeanna McPherson, is joining us over on the
Hey.
Joy. So we're having a great time over there at the Joy. Please be sure to watch the Joy weekdays starting January 16th for our exclusive test run on VIN TV owned and operated stations, and wherever you can watch TV. Watch the Joy. It's gonna be available on YouTube and streaming services as well. So wake up, cause today is gonna be a good day.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, Brian, for sharing that news because, yes, you guys, um, he knows this. I'm so very excited, to work over there, over on my new job, you guys, at the Joy. Now, that doesn't mean you guys, I'm still gonna be here, you guys, over here at the educators. I'm just gonna be, balancing out my schedule, being over here and then being over at the Joy. So you guys will see, some episodes I will be in, some episodes I will be out because I'm doing the Joy. So I'm so very happy of me and Andrew and then Gigi to work with them is just a pleasure, and I am so very excited about that. So yes.